Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Polygon wallet transactions for tax season, detailed guide step by step clearly. To back up your Polygon wallet transactions for tax season, you'll want to start by accessing your wallet interface. Log into your Polygon wallet using your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the transactions section of your wallet. Here, you'll find a comprehensive list of all your transactions. Identify the date range for the transactions you want to back up. Ensure you are including both incoming and outgoing transactions for accurate reporting. Select all relevant transactions for this tax year. Look for an export option within the Transactions section. If available, choose to export your transactions as a CSV or Excel file. If there is no export option, you may need to manually record each transaction's details. Make sure to note down the date, transaction type, amount, and associated fees for each entry. Consider using a spreadsheet program to organize the collected data. This will make it easier to calculate your total gains or losses. Once all transactions are recorded, double-check for accuracy. Next, categorize your transactions based on type, such as trading, staking, or transfers. This classification will help during tax calculations. Now, utilize a tax software that supports cryptocurrency transactions. Import your CSV or Excel file into this tax software. Follow the software prompts to ensure all information is captured correctly. After importing, review the generated report for any discrepancies. If needed, make adjustments to ensure all data aligns with your transactions. Finally, save and back up the completed report in multiple formats. This will serve as your documentation for tax filing. With these steps completed, you will be prepared for tax season regarding your Polygon wallet transactions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.